No, not this many. It's scary. Come on, poke your head up. It's cool. Is the car in park? Let me take some pictures. Oh my god. And look, they're like, they constantly change, like formation, you know? There's definite patterns, but they're constantly. Dude.